This is our intermediate term cycle analysis for the S&P 500, and we just have to first highlight briefly where we have come from. Off of this key low that formed in the fall of 2022, you will note our usual higher low basing cycle. Basing cycles are usually what sets up a dominant trend change, and you can see what has happened since that point. We've had a series of higher cycle highs and higher cycle lows, and we are still in a rising phase on the intermediate term. We have our next trough that's due 722 to right around 826, and we will be only watching for modest dips and then for moves that are still likely poised for higher, given what we're seeing on this minor cycle, which is also a positive translation that is forming here. And you can see that this low is due, again, 722 to right around 826 or so. There's a rising zone from 5294 to 5160-ish. On the upside, we have a zone from 5560 to right around 5673. Okay, so those are our levels here for the S&P 500. If we jump over to the daily chart, uh, you are only seeing positive cycles forming. We still have a bullish uptrend that is firmly in place. Yes, we have been choppy over the past week, but this is still positive. A low that is due on the short term, 627 to right around 75. We'll be watching for a flag to form and to hold this zone here from 54.31 to right around 53.50. So this zone right here. And then we'll be looking for it to turn back up to the upside off of that and very likely make higher swing highs in that next short-term rising phase. So that's the look there at the S&Ps in terms of our downside levels. In terms of the upside, you will see that there is a 78.6 to the 100, 54.97 to 55.83.